Hey guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up and I am Caitlin, and today we're going to make a really fun recipe that is made on the grill. We are going to do super garlic butter cheesy Hasselback grilled potatoes. Yes, that's a lot, but it's epic. I promise you. We got the garlic butter, we got cheddar cheese, we got grilled potatoes, and it is like an explosion in your mouth of yumminess. So we are going to start by making a simple garlic butter that we're going to brush on our Hasselback potatoes. I have about 2 tablespoons of butter here that I melted in my microwave, and I'm just going to add a little bit of salt and pepper to it. You don't need a big mixing bowl for this because why get another thing dirty? But just do a little bit of salt and pepper. And then I actually have a squeezable garlic that I've been really into lately. It's an organic squeezable Spice World garlic, and it makes the perfect garlic butter. So just squeeze in a little bit depending on how garlicky you want your potatoes. Ooh, guess I squeezed too hard there. And then give it a stir. So if you don't know what a Hasselback potato is, it is when you put little tiny slices in your potato like this. You slice nice and thin and go almost down to the bottom without breaking through. So we're just gonna go ahead and we wash these potatoes really good, and we're just gonna put some slices in this one as well. So again, you wanna do about, I don't know, I'd say like ½ an inch or so, and go almost down to the bottom of the potato, but you want to be careful that you don't slice all the way through. Not the end of the world, but then it wouldn't quite be the Hasselback like you want it. Once we got it sliced up, we're going to place it on a little bit of tin foil here and kind of open it up a little bit and then brush on that garlic butter. You're going to want to try to get as much in between each cut as you can, but the good part is that it's melted butter and it should go right in. So just kind of go ahead and just like jiggle it in there and pour it over, brush it over top. So again, you'll just kind of fan it open a little bit and lay it on your tin foil. And then you could just give it a nice brush along all these creases. If you could get in there, that's good too. But just brush on that garlic butter. Once they're nice and buttered, we're gonna actually do almost like a tent to them. So we're gonna fold in the sides and leave the top open a little bit like this, and then they're gonna be ready to go on the grill. So once you have your potatoes tented, you're gonna go out to your grill and you're gonna cook them for about 35 to 40 minutes on high heat. Anybody who has grilled potatoes before knows that they can take a little bit of time, but I promise you it's worth it, and they are gonna be so good. So you're gonna grill them on high, tented like this, for about 35 to 40 minutes. After that time, you're gonna peel open the top. That's why we tented instead of really wrapping them tight. We're gonna peel open the top and slide in a slice of cheese in between each one of those slices. A really easy way to cheat here is to buy the Cracker Barrel sharp cheddar that's already cut into the perfect square size to fit in between each of your potato slice. You're then gonna re-tent and cook for about 5 to 10 more minutes until your cheese is melted. After that, you're gonna garnish with some chives and dig in. These are going to be so good. You're gonna love them. They are going to be epic. What is better than cheese, garlic, potatoes, and summertime grilling? Everyone knows I love a cheesy potato, and these Hasselback grilled ones do not disappoint. You are going to love this recipe. Just slide that cheese in them, get them on the grill, get them off the grill and into your mouth. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more fun recipes like this one every Tuesday. I'm loving hanging out with you here in my new kitchen and being able to grill for you outside in my new yard. And I cannot wait to see you next time back here again. Also find me on Instagram, forgot to say that, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I'll see you then. Bye-bye.